Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you with another unboxing, or in this case, an unbagging. If you're wondering what this is, the quick story is the following. I'm a big supporter of the Second Amendment. I believe the people have the right to arm themselves when stored, trained, and when they know how to use the weapons properly. Now, I don't know the rules for YouTube, so I'm not going to show any of my weapons in this video, but I'm going to show you storage for the accessories for when I go to the range, when I need to utilize the weapons, when I need to clean them. And this right here was purchased on Amazon for $14.99. This is the Paiyule case that's compatible with my soap dish headphones from Howard Late, as well as my Smith & Wesson shooting goggles. And you know what? Supposedly this is good. It's a hard case. Let's see if it'll fit my stock, right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. We're gonna do the unbagging for the Paiyule brand soap dish headphone holder and my Smith & Wesson mirrored glass holder. Let's see how this turns out. 3, 2, 1. Da-da-da-da. Not bad. Oh, that's removable, I guess, for deeper things. Silica gel, we won't need that. A little bit of a zip here. This seems like it would work well, right? The real thing I gotta do now is get my accessories. Now I'm gonna say this, I have these two accessories right here. One more time, the Howard Late by Honeywell. I always say by Honeywell on it now. These soap dish headphones for shooting. They are perfect, beautiful. And then I also have my Smith & Wesson mirrored glasses. Put these on first, actually. Woo-hoo-hoo. Put this on, and if I'd be allowed to show one of my weapons right now, I'd actually bring it out, because you wouldn't want to mess with me when I look like this. So let me collect myself, get a little carried away there. Take the glasses off, take the headphones off, and fold them up. Let's find out how well they fit, because that's what I bought it for, right? All right, let's see how these fit. Howard Late headphones. Ooh, we call that perfection. All right, here's the other one. Smith & Wesson glasses. Can it be? Can it be perfection? It looks perfect to me. So there you have it, guys. The case works. Hard shell. We smack it around a bit. You're more worried about the glasses than anything else, because these headphones, they're not going anywhere. But let's see what we got one more time. Everything's great. Everything's intact. I feel like I'm ready to hit the range. Hopefully I'll hit the range this weekend. And the next time I hit the range, I do believe I've had the permission to record. So you can see me in action, as well as some of my other buddies. But I will say this case works great. I love it. Perfect storage, no issue. By the way, again, only $15 on Amazon. Pretty sure it's made in China, doesn't say it. Maybe it does on the bag. Made in China. But you know what? It works. It's the only place that I've been able to see hold it like this online on Amazon. And the truth is, it's a great buy. I highly recommend it. I hope you like this unboxing. And since you guys now know that I am a regular shooter at ranges, guess what, guys? Hopefully I'll be able to bring the camera in there as well. Get a little action. All depends on those YouTube rules, which seem to be changing every day. So we'll find out, but highly recommended for shooting accessories, for headphones, for the clamshell headphones that I have, as well as the Smith & Wesson mirrored glasses. Worth the $15, trust me. I'll see you guys very soon.